Hey, this is Eric with Black Swan Odysseys, and this is my plug for Team Oregon motorcycle training. Team Oregon motorcycle safety programs have provided training for riders of all levels of experience and riding ability. The heart of Team Oregon is its street-oriented courses. Team Oregon has been around since 1984. Their first year of their programs, Team Oregon trained about 400 riders. Last year, in 2019, more than 9,000 students completed either a basic, intermediate, or advanced training course. Team Oregon is nationally recognized as a leader in motorcycle safety. In 2005, Oregon was rated first in the nation for motorcycle safety programs by the National Highway Safety Administration. Whether you're just starting out or have been riding for years, Team Oregon has a course for you. There's 7 courses of varying degrees of skill building levels. The course I'm riding here is the ART course, Advanced Rider Training. The ART course is appropriate for any rider with 2+ years of riding experience. Trikes and reverse trikes, such as a Can-Am, are welcome on the training course, and the course can be tailored to your riding level. The course has several training dates throughout the summer. They're posted on Team Oregon's website. I recommend signing up early for the most slots to choose from.
So start finding that entrance early, so keep your head turned. So we're trying to get over there. This is one big turn.
Yeah. So you cut in a little earlier than I was doing on that last turn.
Here you can just use the throttle. Faster puts you out, slow it down, bring you back in again. So
Okay.
feather your distance by that. You can always tell if somebody goes wide.
Yeah.
Pretty soon you're running into them because they're just wasting time.
Yeah. Thanks, Darcy.
Not a problem. Does that help?
Yeah, it did. I think what I need to do is hold my line just a little bit longer, and as soon as I can see my exit point.
Yeah, so again, look beyond that exit as well and start looking for that next entrance as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so again, if you look further out, then you try to plot that line all the way through it.
Okay.
If you want to follow me.
Okay.
Many motorcyclists, including myself, repeat this course annually. I began taking this course every year to refresh my skills and wash out my bad habits that I've collected. This is an all-day event conducted rain or shine. Tuition is $179. This riding exercise is conducted on a go-kart track, Pat's Acres, in Canby, Oregon. This allows riders expert instruction on a clean, smooth curves of a closed course. Participants ride at a more real-world speeds, but this is not a high-speed racing oriented class. The emphasis on the course is building your skill level for street-oriented riding. This is normally a 6-hour course, 2 hours of a classroom discussion, and 4 hours of track riding. The course covers techniques in cornering, braking, swerving, and traction management. But due to COVID, the classroom portion this year was conducted on an online discussion the night before the track day. The online class discussion covers risk management, crash causation, judgment and impairments, braking, cornering, swerving and transition, and traction theory. Participants must be 16 years or older and possess a valid driver's license and, of course, a motorcycle endorsement. Many participants complete this course successfully. However, this course is not given away. I found this course to be challenging, but quite doable for the average rider. And like I said previously, the instructors provide a certain level of one-on-one training and match the course practicum. Most participants complete this course successfully. However, there is no guarantee of course completion or graduation. They don't give away certificates. Students who fail to demonstrate a minimum level of safety will be dismissed without refund. Overall, I found this course to be challenging but quite doable for the average rider. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for all my latest videos. And we'll see you on the next ride.